Well, I was just presented with this van, a non-runner. Just stalled this morning and wouldn't start, and then it seemed like it had a flat battery. So I got it here and it smells like fuel. Almost ethanol fuel. Like it don't smell right. So I've checked everything. It's got oil which smells like petrol. It's got coolant. So I went to go crank it and it just went click, click, click. And I was like, hang on, that's hydro-locked. So it's hydro-locked itself on petrol. You can see coming out of this exhaust gasket there. So I'm going, shit, needle and seat must be stuck. I've taken off the air filter here and have a look down there. That's just not healthy. That really isn't healthy. That's the secondary. So we're not the primary. It looks like, yeah, it'll all be gone through because it's the idle stop screw. So I'd say the bowl's overflowing. That's not really good for the poor old engine, I tell you. So we'll see what we can do with it. We'll definitely need an oil change after this. Well, that explains that. I drained this and it's icky, but hear that? The actual filter element's broken off the top and there's no filter here as such. This is just now a joiner. That is kind of common. So always shake your filter and make sure it doesn't sound like that. So that's what's caused it. No fuel filter technically. Oh, let's see what this does when I try and crank it. I'm standing here because the seat's forwards. That's where the fuel filter goes. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. I know I have to floor it to get it started. I just want to see what it does when I get fuel pressure to it. Let's see if this thing will try and start. That's why I stopped cranking. Stuff falling in. Hang on. Well, let's try again now that stuff's been moved. It's one hell of a flooded engine. I hope it doesn't go bang when it starts, the amount of fuel in the exhaust. I check the carby before it warms up. Cool, seems to be leveling the bowl now. Oh, how cute. I was running fine until it warmed up and started stalling at idle and flooding. I was wondering why, and then I thought, hang on, let's disconnect the crankcase breather there, and it came good. That means there's so much fuel vapour in there, it's throwing the mixtures all out. Strange. They'll leave the dipstick up a bit too. Let all the vapour out. hope it doesn't explode.